Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Marlene. I will be making video about London, especially the East End, because this is where I live, and I want when people come to visit London to be a bit more niche in their traveling and maybe come to the East End. So I want to share what are the best things to do, what are the best coffee shops, the best bars and restaurants. So I'm gonna keep more into these specific experiences. I will also sometimes share my travel stories. When I go to a country, I want to inspire you and share ideas and tips when I'm traveling. Also, I'm a seasoned photographer. I use very seasonal. I use the system Fujifilm. So in this channel, I will be going through the process, showing you how I'm growing into this system and how my photography is evolving. So maybe sometime I will be sharing some POV photography around London or when I travel. I've also created a podcast where I speak extensively about my travel experiences because I've been traveling for the last 11 years and never been on YouTube, so it's my first time on YouTube. But I still want to share experience and ideas and insight because I kind of like to go a bit off the beaten path. In my podcast, I speak about these travel experiences. So I invite you to subscribe to this channel and also follow me on social media if you are interested about this type of content. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the channel. Have a nice day. Bye.